Good afternoon, my dear students. Today I am going to take class for grade 2 or class 2, the mathematics unit number 6, shapes and pattern. Okay, so let me start with the shapes and patterns. In the first grade you have studied about something about basic shapes and patterns. Okay, in detail we are going to study more about this shapes and pattern in this lesson. Okay, let's start. We see objects of different shapes around us. We see beautiful pattern in our daily life. Okay, we see objects of different shapes around us. We see beautiful patterns in our daily life. Okay, as we are going to see the different shapes like circular, triangular, rectangular, square, oval, cylindrical shapes we are going to see in our daily life. And in our daily life we are going to see the patterns too. Patterns means like strips of a blue, red, white, or it may be yellow, red, or the patterns of or triangles of red and yellow, blue and yellow, like this. They are called patterns. Okay, look at the root outline of the house. It is made of straight lines. How many straight lines do you see? Each color denote different types of line. See, this is one straight line, another straight line, another straight line, another straight line, one more straight line, and one more straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 straight lines we can see here in this picture, in this outline. Okay, in this image. So let's read. Look, Papa, the moon is a complete circle today. ಇದು ಮೂನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಪಪ್ಪಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಪಾಪು ಈ ಮಗು. ಎಸ್ ಮೀನು, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಡೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಓಕೆ. ಮೀನು, that is constellation of a big dipper. This pattern has 7 stars. This pattern has 7 stars. Papa, what is the pattern of the stars in the sky? So these are called pattern of the skies. Patterns. These are called what is the Papa, what is the pattern of the sky in the star in the sky? Okay. Minu, that is the constellation of Dipper. This pattern has 7 stars. This pattern has 7 stars. That looks so beautiful. That looks so beautiful. Full moon day means ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ದಿವಸ ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಡೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಮೂನ್. ಮೂನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್. Moon is in the dark. Okay, we can't see today. This is Amavasya today. We can't see the moon. We can see the tomorrow. We can see the crescent moon, the new moon we are going to see. Okay, just check out the sky today, right? Then, if we observe the world around us, we will see many beautiful patterns. We will see many beautiful patterns. We all learn more about shapes and patterns in this lesson. Okay, shapes and patterns in this lesson. See here we can see the sunflower, the black, and the petals are in yellow. We can see the petals, yellow color petals only, with the pattern. So you can see the leaf. Small leaf in this you can see. This is a beautiful pattern. The smaller, just bit bigger, just little bigger, just little bigger, just little bigger, just little bigger. Like this you can see the pattern here. And here you can see the butterfly color of on a butterfly. We can see the pattern here. Same pattern we can see here. We can see the zebra. Okay, zebra. So this is black and white zebra. This is also a pattern, a beautiful pattern in the world. You can see like this. You can see the petal of a flower. You can see the painting on the wall, or you can see any leaf, or you can see any animal. It has its own color. It has its own patterns. You can see. Okay, right. So here Here we have a point, line segment and line. Point, line segment and line. Point. Points are the small dots. Points are the small dots. We use capital letter to represent points. Given below are the points A, B and C. Given below are the points A, B and C. A, B, C. Points are the small dots. We use capital letter to represent points. Given below are the points A, B and C. A, B, C. So this is called as a point. This is denoted as a capital letter. Okay. Alright. Then we can see the line segment here. Line segment. A line segment is formed by joining two dots. For example, consider one dot. Consider one more dots. If you can join this. This is called line pattern. Line segment. The line segment is formed by here joining two points. This point and this point. If you join together, this is called a line segment. Here we join point A and B with the help of a roller. Roller means a scale we can see, right? The points are joined by a straight line segment. This line segment is called AB. It is written as AB line segment. A, B, this is line segment. Okay, AB and line segment. Right? This is denoted with a capital letter, and above this we are going to have a sleeping line. This straight line. This is a line segment. Then what is line? A line is formed when a line segment is extended in both the direction. It goes on endlessly in the both direction. This is called line. For example, here the line segment AB has been extended in the both direction through the point A and B. This is denoted, this is line AB. So for example, as we can say that this is a line segment. It's a line segment. Okay, fixed A and B. Okay, when we have the line, okay, this dots, and we are joined the dots, and it continues, and it continues after the dots also. This is arrow and this is arrow. This is A and this is B. A and B. This is called line. It extends towards right side and it extends towards left side. Both the direction it keeps on extending. This is called line. Okay. This is denoted by A, B and the both side arrows. This is line segment. Okay. This is line. Okay. Clear? Hope you have understood. Exercise number 6.1 we will do based on the same concepts here. So write if each is a point, line segment or a line, okay, and name it. Okay. So A is the line segment. Write if each is a point, the line segment or a line, and name it. This is the line segment. This is the line segment. Okay. This is the line segment. Right? This is line segment. Okay. And here it is a dot. Here it is a dot. Okay. The dot R. Here is the dot. Here we have studied, right? This is called point. Point, a line segment and a line. Okay. The point is a small dot which is used a capital letter to represent the given below are the point A, B, C. Okay. Point or the line segment or the line. This is called point. It's called point. Okay. And here we can see the PQ is the line. PQ with both side arrow is there, then it is called as a line. Right? Clear? This is how we can denote the line segment, line, and a dot. Point. Draw the following in your notebook. A point M. A point M. This is the point and this is denoted by capital M. and the line MN, this is 2 dots, then line it is, not line segment. Join this and move further and put arrow, and move further this side, put arrow. This is line segment. A line, sorry, this is line MN, this is M and this is N. In the both the direction it's keep on rising, no problem. Clear? Okay, this is called line, MN line. A line segment RS, line segment RS, the point between the 2 points R and S, there is a straight line, then this is called line segment. Line segment, this is line. Okay, next we have a straight and the curved lines. Straight and curved lines. There are 3 kinds of straight lines. They are as follows: horizontal line, sleeping line, vertical line, standing line, oblique line or slant line, slant right, slant left, oblique line or the slant line, horizontal line or sleeping line, vertical line or standing line, oblique line is slant left, slant right. This is called slant line. Okay, now practice drawing of sleeping line, standing line and slant lines. This is called sleeping line. Trace on it. This is called sleeping line. Then this is called standing line. This is called standing line. Okay, standing line. Then this is called slant line and slant line. Okay, just join the dots to form these curves. These are called curve lines. These are called curve lines. Okay, these are called curve lines. Right? Just practice on this. This is curve line, sleeping line, standing line and slant line. Okay, plane shapes. We can see the plane shapes here. Plane shapes. Color the following shapes. This is a circle. Take a bangle and trace around it. You will get a circle. A circle is round in shape. It has no sides, no corners. It has no sides, no corner. Take a bangle and draw its outline. You will get a circle. Okay. Now, take a small box. Take a small box with its bottom face having equal sides. Trace around it. You will get a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. 4 equal sides. This is equal to this. This is equal to this, and this is equal to 6. Okay. All sides are equal, and 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corners. Okay. 4 corners, 4 sides. 4 sides are equal in size. Then only it is called as a square. So here it looks like a rectangle. Square and this difference, major difference between square and a rectangle is, so either sides are equal in size. Either sides are equal in size and it has 4 corners. Okay. Trace around your textbook, you will get a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. And it has 4 corners. A square is special rectangle. Alright. Next we have the triangle. Your teacher will show you a set of squares from a geometry box. If you trace around a set square, you will get a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corners. 3 sides, 3 corners. It is called triangle. Okay, it is called triangle. right? Clear? Then let us work with it. The exercise number 6.2. Answer the following questions by tick the correct box. How many sides are there in a square? In a square, there are 4 sides. 4 sides, not 5 or 3. It's 4 sides in a square. How many corners are there in the triangle? In a triangle, there are 3 corners. This is called triangle. It's called triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay, 3 corners, 3 sides. Okay. Every square is also a rectangle. Every square is also a rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. This is square. It is a special rectangle. Every square is also a rectangle. Okay. Every rectangle can't be a square, but every rectangle is a square. Match the line to its name. Okay. This is horizontal line. This is curved line. This is slant line. This is vertical line. Okay. So match the line to its name. Horizontal line, curved lines, slant line, slanting line, and this is vertical standing line. Okay. Right. Fill in the correct word, straight or curved. A square is made up of 4 lines. 4 lines. A rectangle is made up of 4 lines. A circle is made up of only one, not a line, not nothing. No corner, no sides. 0 lines. Okay, no corners, nothing. A triangle is made up of 3 lines. 3 lines. A triangle is made up of 3 lines. This is 3 lines. Here it's not curve, it's not line, curve. Okay, here it is. This is made up of rectangle. So this is rectangle. And this is square. Okay, square is a special rectangle, but rectangle can't be a square. Okay, hope you understood. Count the shape and write the number. Color the shape. Okay, count the shapes and write the numbers. Color the shapes. How many circles are there? Color the shapes. How many? Here it is rectangle, 1 rectangle, 2 rectangles. Rectangles are 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. 4 circles. 1, 2. 2 squares. 1 triangle. Okay. 1 triangle. This is count the shapes and write the number. Written the number here. Color the shapes. Color the shapes. Okay. You can color it. Right. So next one is here in this picture we can see number of circles. 1, 2, 3 circles. Okay. Then this is rectangle. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. This is square. It's a rectangle, and this is also rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rectangles are there, and we can see only one square. Only one square. Okay. Then 1, 2, 2 triangles. 2 triangles. Okay. Right. So here circles, how many circles are there? We can find only one circle. One circle. Squares, how many squares we can see? 1, 2. 2 squares. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles. Triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. Right? 8 triangles. Clear? So that's, we need to find the particular shape and we have to number them. Write any two English alphabet capital letters. Write any English capital letters which have straight lines. Which have straight lines only. Only straight lines. Only straight lines. Two letters. Okay. This is straight line. Straight line. Straight line. Okay. Straight line. And this L, again the straight line. Okay. Not curved lines. Only straight line. Write any two English capital letters which are formed by curved lines. Curved lines. So here you can see that C is the curved line. C is curved line. And D, E, F, G, G. So this we can say curved lines. Curved line. Okay. C and G are completely curved lines. Alright. So like this we have to understand the shapes and patterns. Here we have some solid shapes. Edges and sides. Edge or side. This is a cube. This is a cube. It has 6 flat surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 flat surfaces which are equal. It has 12 sides. It has 12 sides or edges. 12 sides or edges. It has 8 corners. It has 8 corners. It has 8 corners, 12 sides. Okay. This is called cube. Cube. Right. This is called cuboid. Cuboid. This has 6 flat surfaces. Surfaces or faces. The opposite faces are equal. The opposite faces are equal. The opposite faces are equal. It has 12 sides or edges and it has 8 corners. It has 8 corners. Only one thing, major difference is all are equal faces which are equal. The faces are equal. Here in the cuboid we have the opposite surfaces are equal. Opposite surfaces are equal. Right? So this is a sphere. This is a sphere. It has a curved surface. It has a curved surface and it has no edge or corner. It has no edge or corner. Okay. The circle. Curved face. Flat face. Edge face. Curved face. This is a cylinder. It has one curved face or surface or face. This is called curved face. Right? And it 2 flat surfaces or faces above and below. Right? 2 flat surfaces are equal. It has 2 edges. 2 edges. Edge andre koni. 2 edges. It has no corners. It has no corners. And here we can see the cone. This is the cone. It has one curve. It has one curved surface or a face. This is called flat space. Curved face. Curved face. Right? And one flat surface or face. One flat surface or face. Flat surface is this. Cone. It has one edge. It has one edge. This is called edge. Edge. One edge. And it has one corner. This is called one corner. Okay. One corner and one edge. Right. So based on that concepts we will solve this. Give any one examples of the following solid shapes. One example of solid shape. Sphere, we can say that moon, or sphere, moon. Spherical is moon. Cube, slice of bread. Slice of bread. Okay. Cone, ice cream. ice cream. Cuboid, notebook. Compass box, choppist board. Cylinder, cylindrical. Cylinder is water bottle. Water bottle. Okay. Match the object with the correct name of its shape. Okay. Here we can see that cone. This is cone. Sphere, your ball. Marble or the ball. Spherical. Okay. Cuboid. This is a cuboid. This is a cube. And cylindrical. This tin. Okay. Then cone. This is also cone like. Pencil. A cylindric. Cube. The cube. Okay. So these are the match the object with the correct name of its shape. Okay. Let's explore. Guess the name of the shape. I'm a shape of book. I'm a shape of book. This is cuboid. Cuboid. I am the shape of dice. That's dice only. Dice. I am the shape of dice. Write this dice only. I am a shape of globe. Globe. Sphere. Dice is cube. Dice is cube. Dice is cube. Okay, this is a shape of a dice is cube. I'm the sphere of a globe, the sphere. I'm a shape of a tube light. It's called cylindrical. Cylinder. I have a circle at my base, a corner at the corner and the curved face. That's called cone. Right? So like this we have to solve this. Next we have some more shapes, slides and rolling. The objects which can slide and which can roll. Sliding and rolling. Slides which have flat surfaces can slide down on sloping surface. It's called a slide. Just we can slide. We can't, here we can slide, not the roll. Solid which have curved faces or can roll down on a slope surface. For example, this rolls. It's called rolling. Okay, and here it can't roll. It can't roll. It can be slide. It can be slide. See, any corner, any surface or any face it can't roll. So whereas the crayon can't be slide. It's rolling. It rolls. It's called rolling. Okay, it's called rolling. So like this, objects which are cylindrical or spherical, sphere or cylinder, that can only roll, that can't slide, and rest are slide and roll. Some objects can be slide and roll as well as slides. For example, your gas cylinder can be rolled and can be slide. Can be rolled and can be slide. Can be roll and slide. Right? So here we can see these things. A cube and the cuboid have a flat surface and can slide down on a slope surface. Okay, so as I told you, this is cuboid, like this is cuboid like. So this can be slide, not the rolling. It can't roll. Whereas the ball can only slide. Ball can only slide or roll. Sorry, for example, this is the sliding, or any marble that can't be slide, that can only be rolled out. This is called a sphere has a curved surface. It can roll down on a sloping surface. Okay, a cylinder and the cones have the curved flat surfaces. Curved flat surfaces. They can slide down on a sloping surface, or they can be flat surface. As I told you, cylinder can be rolled and slide. Even the cone also slide and roll. Slide and roll. You can check out any of your objects available. Cylinder and cones can also roll on a sloping surface with their curved face. That can be slided and this can be rolled. Okay. So now let us do the exercise number 6.4. Draw one object can roll and one object that can slide. So rolling are the circle or a sphere or the ball. Okay, this is a object. This is an object that can only roll, not the slide. So here I will show you one more example of cube. That can only slide, no rolling. That can only slide. So this is a cube, right? So now here we have some more examples based on the same concept. Tick right the object which can roll and circle the object which can slide. So this object can be slide. This object can be slide. This object can be slide. Whereas this object can slide and roll. Both. Take the object which can roll. This can roll and this can roll. Okay. So now we are familiar with the shapes. I will explain you some shapes which already we had studied in LKG and UKG. So here this is the rectangular shape. Here its opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. This side and this side are equal. This side and this are equal. The outline of this object is the rectangular, and it is actually a cuboid. It's actually a cuboid. Okay. This is called solid shape. Solid shape. Okay. This is cuboid. This is cuboid. Right. And we can see the circular, a circle. We can see the circle here. Circle means spherical. Completely spherical means ball. This is also a solid shape, and this can be slide as well as roll. Okay, this is cylindrical. The slide as well as it can roll even. Okay, so now we have a square. This upper face we can see the square. Actually it is cube. All sides are equal. The solid shapes. It's a cube, right? Then this is called triangle. Triangle. Okay. The cone surface we can say. The cone is, so we can, this can be one surface we can see with which we can slide. Okay. It's a triangular. It's a cone. Right. These are the basic shapes. Now let's move on to the pattern. Let's move on to the patterns. Okay. So you know the morning mama put some rangoli outside. Okay. Which are colorful. And which are different shapes also. Circular, square, rectangle, or maybe any object, any shape. And mama is going to fill the beautiful color into the rangoli, right? So if you see the rangoli, we can see the different shapes. A design which is repeated in a particular manner is known as the pattern. So you can see the yellow pattern, yellow pattern, yellow pattern, yellow pattern. Okay, orange, 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 orange. This is repeated. I can see the same pattern. You can see it here. Same patterns you can see it here. Same pattern you can see it here. So this is called pattern. Or check shirts which are having a pattern, a beautiful design on a sari, or the kurtas, we can see the patterns. The rangoli shows here a beautiful pattern. Okay, so to make a pattern, we should familiar with its shapes, right? So now let us look at the pattern given below and draw the missing figure. In this completely in A, this is the objects given, 2 circles, 1 triangle, 2 circles, here 1 triangle should come, then the 2 circle, then the square triangle. So we are here, we are missing 1 triangle. Okay, 1 triangle. And here in this, the square, rectangle, square, small rectangle, square, small rectangle. Then the square. Okay, done this. Then 2 up arrows, this is called standing line arrows, sleeping line arrows, standing line arrows, sleeping line arrows. Now we have to draw the, this is 2 arrows, right? 2 times it is, not 1 time, this is 2 times, sleeping arrows. So here, one more time, we have to draw the sleeping arrows. Clear? So that's all. Now we'll do some more activity based on the patterns on the exercise number 6.5. Draw the 4th picture. So 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares. Now the 4th picture is of 4 squares. 4th picture is of 4 squares. Okay, 4 squares. Now here triangle, one more triangle, one more triangle. Now we have to draw the 4 triangles. This is 1 triangle, and this is another triangle, and this is another triangle. Now we have to draw the another triangles here. This is the next pattern we can see here. Next we have these lines, cross line, then cross line and this square made square. Let us do the same thing. Now this is cross. Okay, this object is like this. Now these lines are added. We can add these lines anywhere. Next pattern should be like maybe this or maybe this. Okay, right? Followed. Then the what comes next? A pair of alphabets, A B B C C, then D D. Right? Day, D-A-Y, day, night, day, night. The pattern next is night, N-I-G-H-T, night. 87, 89, 91. No, 88 is missing and 90 is missing, 91, 92, 93. 93. Okay. Now 55, 60, 65, 70. Skip writing of 5 numbers. Now skip writing minus 2, 40, 38, 36, 34. Skip writing by minus 2. Okay. Now let's explore. Complete the pattern, given pattern. 5A, 6B, 7C, 6, 7, 8D, 9E. Now A, B, C, D, E. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Z, X, Z, Y, X, X, Y, Z. Now we should go from the descending order. So S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This three are over. Now W, 2, 4, 6. Skip writing by 2 means 8. After W, before W, V will come. V. Then this is 10. V 10. So this is called S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Z, Y, X, W, V. So that pattern we have to follow, and we have to check out the numbers too. Right? Let's recall. Point, small dot. Point, a small dot. Line segment obtained when 2 points are joined using a roller. 2 points joined using a roller. Line formed when a line segment is extended in both directions. It's called line. This is line segment. Horizontal or sleeping line. Vertical line or standing line. Oblique line. Oblique lines are this. Okay, these are all we have studied in this lesson, today's lesson. Okay, let's do some activity. You can do it. Read and understand and do. Read, understand and do this activity. Complete the table 2. Mastic, cuboid, flat surface, curved surface, no curved surface. Football is a sphere. Okay, no flat surface, only curved face, no curved face, no flat surface, only spherical. A pencil is cylinder. Flat surface, yes, both the sides we have a flat surface. And curved face, yes, curved face. An eraser, a cuboid. It has a flat surface, no curved surface. A birthday cap is cone-like. It has a flat surface, a curved surface also. A juice can, a cylindrical cylinder. A juice can is cylinder, and it has flat surfaces and curved face. A book is cuboid. It has flat surface, no curved face. Okay. Then after this we will go for some value and life skills. Kushal's sister has turned 1 year today. Kushal has invited all his friends and cousins to his house for birthday party. After the party, Kushal helped his mother in cleaning the room. Name the different shapes you can identify from the given objects from the Kushal sisters party. So these are the gift packs. This is the birthday cap and this is the balloon. Right? So this Kushal helped his mother after the birthday party, the household things and separating of his gifts or some other things in his home. So by this we have completed the lesson and the portions of this first term, the mathematics portions of the first term. Okay, hope you have understood this unit very well. The shapes and curves. Here in this I have left you to fill the colors with the help of crayons. Here, any color you can take and do it according to the shapes. So let's take circular, let's take green color or any color you can, whichever you like. So this is circular shape, and this is also a circular shape. Okay, next is we can say the rectangle. Rectangles I will fill with the the yellow color. This is the rectangle and this is the rectangle. Okay, say the name and trace the color, and this is also a rectangular shape. This is also a rectangular shape. Okay, and now the square, this I will complete the circle, complete the circles. So here another two circles are there. This is circle and this is also a circle. There are total 4 circles. Then we will move on to the squares. This is a one square. Okay, any color of your choice you can put, no problem. One square and two square, and one more. Here we have the triangle. This is the triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, now we have triangles are here also. I have numbered already. Now I count and numbered. Just you need to put the colors. Here one more triangle. This is the triangle again. This is the triangle again. The triangles are over. Now we have rectangles. This is one rectangle and this is another rectangle here. Two rectangles in this picture, in this object. Here we can see again the rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, the whole big rectangle, another small rectangles here. So totally 4 rectangles we can see. 5, 6 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rectangles. Totally 8 rectangles we have to cover. We have to color them. Only rectangles. Only rectangles. Okay, after this rectangle, let us move on to the circle. Let us move on to the circles. So here is a circle, and here is a circle. Here is a circle, and after that we have a square. This is called a square. Okay, all right. Now here we have a triangles. Triangle. This is also triangle, and this is also a triangle. This is also a triangle. The house roof looks like a triangle here. Triangle, and here we have a triangles here. Here we have a triangles. We have counted and written there. Just we need to fill the color. Next we have a square. This is one square, this window, and this is one more square. Rest are rectangular and a square, a circle. And here we find the circle, and here we have a rectangle. Okay, here we have a rectangle. Right? Clear? So rectangles we have counted. How many numbers of rectangles are there? How many numbers of squares are there? How many numbers of triangles are there? How many number of this? Right? Hope you have understood. We will do it. Right? This is all about the lesson number shapes and unit number 6, shapes and patterns. Okay? Hope you have followed. I will wind up the class here only, and just you prepare for the exams. Exams are on Saturday and Sunday, that is 18th and 19th of this month, only this week. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye bye.